Hello, here's Randall York, and today I've received a parcel containing a Triangle locomotive. Let's see what's inside. As you can guess from the first looks, this is a Lord of the Isle locomotive. It's a Dean class locomotive which was used at the end of the 19th century until about World War I. The R354, or Lord of the Isle, as I've mentioned, is a 422 locomotive with one big driving wheel. This one here has even a little driver in the back. The tender is in a particularly good state. It's the R37. Unfortunately, the coal load is missing in this one. Let's put it on the track and see whether she is running. This one runs at a really low voltage, so it's the engine looks very well, and I will remove the body and have a look inside later in the video so you can see how it looks on the inside. I'll turn it around to see where the pickup works in both directions, and seems to be working just fine. Just for demonstration purpose, really, in case you have no track here, that's the way you can actually test whether the wheels are working via the pickups, and this one clearly works very well. In order to remove the body from the chassis, you have to unscrew it at the back and then gently slide it out. And then you can see here the chassis. It's a really nice piece of engineering with a classical 3-pole motor and a larger magnet at the front. And just because it looks so nice, well, I like it when you see the wheels, the big wheel turning. I just show you here how the wheel and the motor is turning. I use really low voltage here, and I'll lift now the driving wheel off because these are magnetic wheels, and as you can tell here, it's Magnetorail, so this is track 4, and you can literally lift the track off with the locomotive. And that's how the locomotive looks like in the overview, and top left is a rebuilt example of this Dean class locomotive. I hope you've liked this video. Thanks for watching.